What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Leadono AI app before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Leadono AI app works. What is Leadono AI app? I'm pretty sure you have an autoresponder and send emails. The only major problem with email marketing is that you need new and fresh leads all the time. Here's a lesser-known secret social media hack that helps you build a buyer's list without ads, for free. Building an email list using this social media hack is something top companies like AppSumo and even Fortune 500 are using every single day, yet no one sees it. If you ignore this, you lose. Leadono app is the only way to build a buyer's email list for free using social media and also double your open rates and clicks without even changing your autoresponder. Leadono helps you find high-quality leads for email marketing and automatically adds them to your autoresponders using the brand new Leadono technology that help you make more money. All the emails you collect will be already verified and automatically synced to your autoresponder account. Leadono is the first ever app that can find high-quality email leads from social media and add them to all your autoresponders automatically. Emails of people in any niche who are looking to buy what you're selling. Maximize your click-through rate, 10x your engagement, get 10x the profits and results from building a high-quality buyer's email list.